In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to WordPress. If you want to display a simple calendar on your WordPress site, the good news is that this can be done directly from the site editor in just a few moments. This is a great option if you want visitors to quickly see dates related to your published content, and the setup is very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, go to your site editor in WordPress. This is the area where you can customize the structure and layout of your website using blocks. If you're using a block-based theme, this is where you'll manage elements like headers, footers, templates, and content sections. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you are on the part of the site where you want the calendar to appear. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This button opens the block inserter, which lets you add new content blocks to your page or template. Think of this as the main tool for building and customizing your layout. Whenever you want to add something new in WordPress, this is often where you'll start. After opening the blocks inserter, type the word calendar into the search bar. Searching helps you find the exact block you need quickly, especially if your block library contains many different options. As you type, WordPress will narrow down the results and show matching blocks. When you see the calendar block appear in the results, click on calendar to add it to your site. WordPress will insert the block into the editor, and from there, you can position it in the section where you want it displayed. This block is useful for showing a monthly calendar view connected to your site's published posts, giving visitors another way to browse your content by date. Once the calendar is inserted, take a moment to review how it looks within your layout. Make sure it fits well with the rest of your design and appears in the right location. If needed, you can move the block within the editor before saving your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a calendar to WordPress. As a final tip, always preview your page or template before finishing, so you can confirm the calendar looks clean and works well for your visitors.